could turn out to be worth life-changing fortunes. Today, we're exploring a coin that almost every American has handled at some point, a coin so ordinary that most people wouldn't look twice at it, yet under the right circumstances, it could be worth an unbelievable $490.5 million because of extremely rare errors, anomalies, and minting mistakes that only occur once in countless millions of strikes. I'm talking about the 1988 Liberty 1-cent Lincoln penny from the United States, one of the most intriguing years in the entire Lincoln cent series, and a year that has fascinated collectors, error hunters, and numismatic experts for decades. The possibilities hidden in a simple copper-coated coin from 1988 are far greater than most ever imagine, and today, we are going to uncover exactly why. It's amazing to think that something so tiny, so simple, and so ordinary could be the gateway to a fortune worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But that is the magic of coins. Every one of them is a piece of history, a piece of metal shaped by machines that don't always behave perfectly, stamped by dies that wear down, misalign, break, crack, shift, rotate, and sometimes produce results that slip past inspections unnoticed. When those rare accidents meet the right coin, it becomes a masterpiece of rarity, something collectors would do anything to own. The 1988 1-cent Lincoln penny is one of those coins that sits at the intersection of curiosity and rarity, especially because of the mysterious transitional elements, unexpected mint mark oddities, die mix-ups, and design changes that were quietly happening in the late 1980s at the United States Mint. All of that creates a perfect storm of possibilities, a set of circumstances so unusual that certain 1988 pennies could theoretically reach astronomical values, even approaching the unbelievable figure of $490.5 million if the errors involved are rare enough, unique enough, dramatic enough, and well documented enough to shock the numismatic world. As we begin exploring the story of the 1988 Lincoln penny, imagine how many of these coins were minted, literally billions, and yet, only a microscopic fraction of those coins might contain the kinds of errors that collectors dream about. The 1988 penny is particularly interesting because it sits at a turning point. The mint was transitioning between reverse designs, phasing out some older dies, and preparing for modifications heading into the 1990s. Mistakes from this period are legendary. There are coins from the late 1980s that contain reverse designs from the wrong year, mint marks that were punched inconsistently, dies mismatched between the Philadelphia and Denver mints, and even unusual die scratches and cracks that add layers of uniqueness to certain pennies. This creates the possibility, however slim, that a single one of these coins might contain a combination of errors so extraordinary that no other example exists.